Jurors generally aren't allowed to perform independent research about a case. But what happens if jurors do undertake their own investigation? We explore that question in Wilson versus Vermont Castings Incorporated. Ann Wilson owned a Vermont Castings wood-burning stove. One day, Wilson started a fire in the stove. She left a side door on the stove open to help get the fire started. As she stood in front of the stove, her dress caught fire. Wilson was seriously injured. Wilson sued Vermont Castings in federal district court and alleged that the stove was defective. Prior to trial, the court granted Vermont Castings' motion to exclude any reference to the stove's manual because Wilson had never seen or reviewed the manual. The jury found that the stove was defective. Nevertheless, it returned a verdict in Vermont Castings' favor because it didn't believe that the defect was a substantial factor in causing Wilson's injuries. After trial, Wilson's attorney spoke with one of the jurors. That juror advised that another juror had told the jury that she also owned a Vermont Castings stove. She shared her personal experience that the side door needed to be left open to get a fire started. She also told the other jurors that she'd read the stove's manual. She advised that the manual contained warnings and conveyed the substance of those warnings to the other jurors. She also said that she wouldn't change her behavior based on the manual or what she'd learned at the trial. She would continue to operate her stove with the door open. Wilson moved for a new trial and alleged that the verdict was improperly tainted by information about the stove's manual. The district court denied that motion. Wilson appealed to the Third Circuit.